I think of simulations as the process, and
Mhm.
eval as the kind of like I guess like if you think of an eval data set or something, that's a specific like product outcome of simulations in some sense. So simulation is basically the process of mocking users, mocking some execution in some environment before you actually go out into production. Before you enter the real world, and the outcome of simulation is a lot of data, a lot of traces of like deep rich traces about what actually happened in simulation, and you get like a lot of rich data that you can analyze and use for different outcomes from that. One of the outcomes very much talked about these days is training data.
Mhm.
So you can essentially use these simulation traces to essentially fine tune or post train your models to get them more aligned on certain tasks, etc.
Mhm.
But when you talk about eval, which is I think where your conversation came up, Demetrius, a big thing that you get out of simulations is you can do simulations for the purposes of getting an evaluation data set and seeing how your product performs, once it would go out in production in simulation.